In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with Notion. We're going to connect these two tools using Zapier so your time entries automatically appear in a Notion database. This setup saves you from copy-pasting and keeps your projects and reports tidy in one place. Start by opening Zapier. If you're new to it, create an account. It only takes a moment. Once you're in, click Create Zap. Think of a zap as an automation made of a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the automation. The action is what happens next. For the trigger, search for Clockify and select it. Choose the trigger called New Time Entry. This tells Zapier to watch for each new time log you create in Clockify. You'll be prompted to connect your Clockify account, approve the connection, and if Zapier asks which workspace or user to use, pick the ones that match where you track time. You can run a quick test so Zapier pulls a recent entry. This helps with field mapping later. Next, set the action. Search for Notion and select it, then choose Create Database Item. This will add a new row to a Notion database every time the trigger fires. Connect your Notion account and allow access. When prompted, choose the specific Notion database where your time entries should go. It's helpful if that database already has a title property for the task name and a property for time, such as a number or text field, to store the duration. If a property doesn't appear in Zapier, refresh the fields or make sure the property exists in your database. Now it's time to map fields. Map the task name from Clockify to the Notion title, so each new row has a clear label. Then map the time tracked from Clockify to your Notion time property. Depending on your reporting needs, you can store time as minutes, hours, or as raw seconds. Zapier shows you what Clockify sends so you can pick the best match. While mapping, preview the sample data pulled from your test to confirm it lands where you expect. When everything looks right, turn the Zap on. From this point forward, every new Clockify time entry will automatically create a matching item in your chosen Notion database. If something doesn't come through, check that the correct workspace, database, and properties are selected and that your accounts remain connected. That's it. Your time tracking now flows straight into Notion, keeping your tasks and totals organized without any manual work.